Welcome to 5th grade Math Standards of Learning. Our topic for today is metric measurement. The three standards unit for metric measurement are meter, the unit of length, gram, the unit of mass or weight, liter, the unit of liquid or volume. And here we have the three standard units, meter, liter, grams, and we have smaller units, deci, centi, milli, and we have larger unit, deca, hecto, and kilo. And as you can see, each unit is 10 times the one to the right of it. So kilo is 10 times hecto, hecto is 10 times deca, and so on. So task for today is to convert to equivalent measurement. But before we get started, let's note that a smaller unit to a larger unit, we need to divide, and a larger unit to a smaller unit, we need to multiply. So our first example, 6 centimeter to millimeter. So centimeter to millimeter, centi to milli, that means centi is larger. So larger to smaller, we multiply. And it is 10 milli make a centi, so we're going to multiply by 10. So we multiply by 10, and to multiply by 10, we just add a 0. So this is equal to 60 millimeter. Next, 400 centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter, that is smaller to larger. Smaller to larger, we divide. How many centimeter make a meter? So this is centimeter to meter. So that is 10 times 10. That is 100 centimeter make a meter. So we divide by 100. And 400 divided by 100 is equal to 4. Next, 2.5 liter to milliliter. Liter to milliliter. So it's liter to milliliter. This is larger to smaller. So we are going to multiply. So let's put our multiply. And how many milliliter make a liter? That is 10 times 10 times 10, and that is 1,000. So we multiply by 1,000. And when we multiply by 1,000, 3 places 1, 2, 3. We're going to put zeros. Put a 0 right here, put a 0 right there. Hope you can see that very well. And now that is equal to 2,500. Next, 1,513 milliliter to liter. Milliliter to liter. That is smaller to larger. Smaller to larger, we're going to divide. Let's put our divide. And what are we dividing by? How many milliliter make a liter? 10 times 10 times 10, 1,000. So we divide by 1,000. Divide this by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So we have a decimal point right here. So our answer therefore is 1.513 liter. Next, 9,000 grams to kilogram. Grams to kilogram, that is smaller to larger. Smaller to larger. So we are going to divide. Divide. How many grams make a kilogram? We have kilogram right here. 10 times 10 times 10, and that is 1,000. So we're going to divide by 1,000. Divide by 1,000. Remember, the point is always behind the last digit in a whole number. So 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So now we're going to have a point right there. And this reads 9.00, which is the same as 9. So this is 9.000, which is the same as 9 kilogram. And our final example, 3.5 kilograms to grams. Kilograms to grams. So it is kilograms to grams. That would be larger to smaller. Larger to smaller. Multiply. So we put our multiply. And then let's check to see what we multiply by. Kilogram to grams. That is 10 times 10 times 10, or 10 times 10 times 10, 1,000. So we multiply by 1,000. And we multiply by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put zeros. Put some zeros. Okay, let's fix that up. So it is 1, 2, 3. Put a 0, and that is equal to 3,500. And there you have it. I hope you find this very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.